Hey there, folks. Let's go over these homework problems from the last time and today. These are off the multi-set supplement, and so let's start with problem one. Problem one says, how many ways are there to choose 12 coins from a large supply of pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters if at least one coin of each type must be chosen? So as far as the elements in our set, the things that we can choose, we have four of them, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And we want this to be of length 12, but we're going to put in at least one coin of each type. So this is 12 minus 4. So 4 multi-choose 8. And that means that we've got 8 stars and 4 minus 1 bars. We just need to locate the stars. So this is 11 choose 8, which according to my calculator gives me 165 different ways to do that. Okay. Alright, at a certain store, candles come in 4 colors, so that's how many types we have, right? And how many combinations then? Not combinations, you got to be careful. Combinations in a mathematical sense means that you're picking things, choosing things in no particular order, but you can't repeat. And certainly here, that is not a restriction on us. We can get 6 candles all the same color if we want to. So how many ways can we do that? Well, like I said, we have 4 things to choose from, and I can multi-choose 6 of those items. So that is 6 stars and 4 minus 1 bars. And then I just need to choose the position of the stars. So this is 9 choose 6, which according to my calculations is 84. Okay. Suppose that we have 10 each of 4 differently colored balls, 10 each of 4 different colored balls, which are indistinguishable except by their color. How many choices of 5 balls can you make? And we're not putting any restrictions on these things, but if I choose things from the same color, I can't tell them apart. So we've got 4 different items that we can choose. I'm going to choose 5 of them. So that's 5 stars and 4 minus 1 bars, and then lay on that that choice of where we pick the stars, right? The positions of the stars. So this is 8 choose 5, which I get to be 56. Then we ask, all right, how many choices of 5 balls can be made? So I've got 4 to choose from. If you must choose at least 1 ball of each type, or 1 ball of each color. So list 5, yes, but I'm going to go ahead and put 4 in there, 1 of each of the different colored balls. So this is 4 multi-choose 1, which you've got 1 star and 4 minus 1 bars. So this is 4 choose 1, or just 4. Okay. And then finally, how many choices of 8 balls can we make if we must choose the same number of balls of each color? Well, that means that I get 2 of each of the 4 different colors, and then order doesn't matter, repeating doesn't matter. So there's only one way to do that. If you want to get right down to it, it's 4 multi-choose 8. No, I'm sorry. It's 4, but then we've got 8 things, but it's 4 multi-choose 8, and then but you've got to get 2 of each one, so that's 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. And then lastly, we've got a certain bakery makes 10 different types of donuts. How many ways are there to choose a dozen? Well, the types that we have, that's the 10. I want this to have list size 12. So this is 12 stars and 9 bars. Choose 12. So 21 choose 12, which according to my calculator is 293,930. So out of those, now go back and for the B part, revisit that problem. I'm going to choose a dozen donuts, but I have to choose at least one of each type. So out of my 10 types, and I want this to be of length 12, I've already really determined then 10 of the slots. Right? I took one of each type and took them out, or put them in, but I took them out of our calculation. This is now 10 multi-choose 2, 2 stars plus 10 minus 1 bars over 2, not over, but choose 2. So this is 11 choose 2, which according to my calculations is 55. Okay? And that's the first few problems there. I'm going to stop right there, and then we come back, we'll look at the at most multi-sets out of this section.